The Nike Air Max 90 in Anthracite, Jade Horizon, Light Armory, and Reflect Silver delivers a refined take on a classic silhouette. Built on dark, layered tones, the upper is dominated by anthracite mesh with subtle horizontal textures that add depth and dimension. Leather and textile panels overlap smoothly, creating contrast without overpowering the design. A reflective silver swoosh quietly stands out, while the Light Armory tongue and collar soften the overall look. Jade Horizon accents appear almost black, adding a strong but understated edge. Textured mesh from toe to heel provides breathability, while reinforced synthetic panels enhance durability. Clean stitching highlights the layered construction without bold color breaks. The black midsole keeps the look cohesive, with the visible air unit adding balance and comfort. Staying true to its early 1990s roots, this Air Max 90 preserves its iconic shape while offering a more modern, sophisticated aesthetic ideal for everyday wear.